This is a review of the 2-pack of the 32 cell tray inserts along with the 2.5 inch pots. And this comes with the 2 trays and 64 2.5 inch pots. And these are very heavy duty and they are definitely built to last. These have lasted already. I've used these for 3 seasons, and I do foresee myself using them for many, many more years. Pots themselves have drainage holes, so then not only, does that help, it helps allow water to drain out, but then it also gives the ability to bottom water as well. And same goes for the trays. The trays have the holes as well, so then that way they can have some decent drainage along with being able to bottom water as well.